In this video, you'll learn how to upload an image in Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will be able to interact with your images in various ways, enhancing your experience with the platform. Begin by opening Perplexity AI in your preferred web browser. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help with loading the site and uploading files smoothly. Once the Perplexity AI interface appears, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the screen. Below this search bar, you will find a plus sign, which is typically represented by a small icon shaped like a plus symbol. Next, click the plus sign. This action will reveal a drop-down menu containing several options related to image interaction. Look for the option labeled Upload Image and select it by clicking on it. After selecting Upload Image, a File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse the files on your device. Navigate to the location of the image you wish to upload. Keep in mind that larger images may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once you have located the desired image, click on it to select it, and then click the Open button in the File Explorer window. This will initiate the upload process. You may see a loading indicator while the image is being uploaded, which is normal. After the upload is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your image has been successfully uploaded. At this point, you can ask questions about the image, generate related content, or analyze and extract information from it, depending on your needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.